Hello and welcome to ShadowEMEA Motorised Shading Specifier Training designed for Crestron Dealers and approved surveyors and installers across the EMEA region. The purpose of this course is to empower Crestron Dealers to confidently lead with motorized shading solutions without relying on a third-party blind supplier. We walk you through everything: how to specify, measure, quote, and install shading solutions so you can manage the entire project in-house and keep your 50% margin. So, how are we doing it? Well, Crestron has partnered with the CI System Group, a UK-based manufacturer and expert in motorized shading, to bring you ShadowEMEA, Crestron's official motorized blind fabricator for the EMEA region. So who's ShadowEMEA? The team behind ShadowEMEA has been in a shading game for over 40 years. We've handled some of the biggest projects in London, including the NatWest Tower, buildings in Canary Wharf, 20 Fenchurch Street, blinds at the Shard, and the Shangri-La Hotel within it. That kind of experience means we know what we're doing. Whether it's a high-end residential project, a commercial facility, or a luxury hotel, we deliver. So, what makes us a solid choice for you? First off, we're fast. You get your shades within 15 working days after placing the order. Our pricing is sharp, great value with no cut corners. We care about the planet. All our shades are made locally using EU-sourced fabrics. And we speak your language. Confident with both integrated systems and shading solutions, we understand regional styles and needs. And most importantly, everything is made to work seamlessly with Crestron Control. So, how do we help you succeed? Together, Crestron and ShadowEMEA are building a full support system to help you succeed, whether you're new to shading or already experienced. First, with training. We have in-person training sessions in key regions. Also available on the Shadow Dealer portal and the Shadow YouTube channel, various video modules on specifying, measuring, quoting, installing, and even programming, in addition to all other documentation. Second, integration. All ShadowEMEA blinds are powered by Crestron QMT motors and integrate seamlessly with Crestron Home and Crestron Custom. So, no need for additional interfaces and equipment or programming. Those blinds and curtains are native Crestron devices. Third, awareness. At the same time, Crestron is working closely with specifiers, interior designers, and the architecture and design community so that ShadowEMEA solutions are being specified on high-end projects across the region. Fourth, support and warranty. If you need support for motors, brackets, or fabric, ShadowEMEA is your first point of contact. For Crestron integration or programming support, just contact Crestron Tech Support as usual. We're here to build a circle of excellence. A full ecosystem of training, tools, support, and opportunities. So, what's coming next? Specifying shadow systems is about providing you with an overview of all the shading systems available with all the mounting options. So, when you walk into a project, you can start having a comfortable conversation with all the people involved, like in clients, interior designers, architects, builders, etc. Our mission here is very simple: to give you the basic points you need so that you know where to find the right information, you can talk things through with your Crestron RSM, and most importantly, you can build your quote and deliver the right solution smoothly. This course is broken down into short, easy to follow video modules where we'll cover roller blinds, drapery track, Roman blinds, how to survey and quote with confidence, installation tips that save time, and how to get the most from the ShadowEMEA dealer portal. So before we start, I invite you to first make sure you're registered to the Shadow Dealer portal. If you haven't done it yet, go to www.shadowemea.com. Go to the dashboard and register here. Once your access has been approved, the dealer portal will be your starting point to quote your projects. You will also have access to all the information and documentation, like the Crestron Design Guide, which is the main and most important document for all the system specification. You will find it here under the documentation section. You will have access to all the video tutorials that we will continue to update here under How to Guides videos. Finally, make sure you also use the Crestron Shading Resource website where you will find additional materials. Ready to get started? Well, see you on the next training module.